going on, guys? Another new video. Today we are at the Jeep lab. Mark is working somewhere over there. We're gonna be biffing up the Jeep a little bit. We got some goodies from Teraflex again. Like always, they always help us. But this kit, the CT3, does not come with the sway bar disconnect. So the other day we went off-roading, and of course they have to have that guy always disconnecting at the last time, and it's not quick disconnect, so I had to go get tools and all that stuff. So we're gonna be putting quick disconnects. We're gonna be beefing up the tie rod to the new HD tie rod from Teraflex for the Jeep JL. Unfortunately, the steering stabilizer, the Falcon, the 2 point something, the one that you can adjust as well, is in back order, so we're gonna be waiting for that. Right now we're probably gonna reuse the stock stabilizer, but let's go ahead and take a look. New links, bracket, the pin, and all that stuff for the disconnects. But the tie rod though, damn, she thick. Look at this, guys. Like, this is heavy duty right here. HD ball joints on the end, on the tie rod ends. This thing is gonna be heavy.
What's up, guys? So I told Eddie this is probably one of the easiest things to install. This is probably take about one beer. That's how long it'll take. I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna drink one beer, and if Eddie's not done by the time I finish my beer, he's got to give me the keys. Deal?
Thanks. We'll do it. Jesus.
And I'll even jack it up for him. How about that?
Oh, and also, by the way, we already got some stickers again. Went with the old faithful Copperhead name again. Just to represent the channel, we got the Team Jeep Lab logo over there. And we got our sponsors on the back. Our YouTube, Instagram handle, and our sponsors, Teraflex and Falcon. Gotta give the Jeep a little detail, and we'll be good. So let's get on it. 59.5 on the inside of the line.
Okay.
59.5.
So we're already 20 minutes in.
I think we're ready to sit back in, and I'm still here. It has been a while, guys.
So we're gonna publish, Frank?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So on the driver's side, we're trying to put the bracket for the pin for the links of the sway bar. There is this thing has to fit on the wall of the axle tube, but there is a little blubber of welding on the axle that doesn't make this align with a hole that we had over here. So we're just gonna have to grind it out a little bit, so to the point that we can actually make it fit. Remember, kids, safety first. Get your glasses, get your gloves, and go at it.
Am I good here?
Yeah. Look at this guy.
I finished all my beers, and I just gotta watch.
So it's just a matter of going, testing it out, see if we have to do it a little bit more, and good to go. So we're gonna go check it out. Alright, guys, so around here where they welded this bracket, they left a lot of blubber. So this one didn't match completely, so this is the one that we have to continue grinding a little bit. It still doesn't match to the hole, so yeah, we gotta go back at it.
do some more grinding.
Yeah, buddy. Right there on the bottom. I need some.
This is Mac, tribute to my 12-year-old English Bulldog that passed about a year ago. Just the front smush face kind of reminded me of my Mac, and he was stubborn. This thing's gonna be stubborn, but this is gonna be an off-road recovery rig. Hi guys, we're back 2 days later. Super proud of Eddie. It's like old times, but he did pretty good. He did a good job.
God damn! Alright guys, so we did the quick disconnects. We had to do some grinding on those. Then the tie rod, adjusting the tie rod and putting it all together, making sure everything is right. Then we also had to do the stock stabilizer, remember, because the Falcon one is in back order, so we have to wait on that. So meanwhile, I'll show you right here. So now that stabilizer is completely out of the way. It's up high. It's centered right now, so we are not gonna have any problems. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the Falcon one to arrive, and we actually be able to tell a difference on that. I need to get an alignment anyways, so we're gonna get an alignment soon to get it dialed in all the way and good to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the ground, retorque the wheel lugs in, good to go. We're gonna go probably to Wing House or Hooters or something because we're hungry. We haven't had lunch and it's about to wrap, guys. So thank you for watching. Again, go ahead and subscribe to Copperhead. We already showed you some of the decals we got today also. Thank you to Jester Graphics. I'll put his link below. And if you need anything else, comment below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. We're prepping for Jeeping with Judd, which is 2 months away, but I still have some parts coming. Also, go ahead and check Mark's FC build. I'm gonna link you his Instagram and everything, his YouTube channel as well, so you can follow it if you want to see that build. All right, take care, guys. Mark.
Like, subscribe, comment below.